On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. Okay, so now we're going to put in our garlic, our ginger, and our shallots into the dry mix of the marinade. So you can see how much time this saved from having to actually chop up all of this garlic and ginger and shallots. It's much easier just to put it into the food processor. So there you go, that's in there. So the next thing that we're going to put in after that is the sweetener, which in this case I'm going to use sugar. And so we're going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar. So I actually like to use organic sugar. You can use any sweetener that you like. Some people like to use agave nectar, which is a natural sweetener. So I'm just going to put that right in. So it's 2 tablespoons of the sugar. So with that, I would probably use 1.5 tablespoons of agave, just because it's a little bit stronger than sugar. So I wouldn't use 2 tablespoons, unless you want it to be sweeter, which you could definitely use that. And then the last piece is the olive oil. So again, this is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I use extra virgin olive oil.